In this video, I want to review my ETSPIL embroidery kit. First off, I love the packaging. It's really pretty. It's a nice box too. So on the back, it has everything that's inside. ETSPIL, if that's pronounced right, is enjoy the simple pleasures in life. Oh, I love that they have the pretty colors right off the top. So they have the embroidery thread. They have 2 hoops. The canvases, the pre-printed canvases. This is nice. So they have numbers on them. I love that there's 2 of them in here, so you can kind of do it with someone else. I think I'm going to ask my mom to do it with me. So you have a needle threader, scissors, looks like a seam ripper. Okay, seam ripper. Those are always handy. Little snips for your yarn. This is a needle threader. That looks like a needle threader. I'll have to look at the instructions to see what that is. Needles. And I don't know what this is. It has number 2 and number 12 punched out, so we'll see. Hopefully we'll see what that is all about. Nice. I love the quality. It looks like there are a lot of instructions. Okay, so that is another threader. I guess for a single yarn or maybe for a smaller needle. Maybe it's just easier to thread it with that. So you've got color, photos, instructions. Okay, so this is thread spool holder. Oh, wow. Okay, let's look at this real quick. So this one is this one. Okay, so let's go back here. It looks like you'll need to go onto YouTube and look this up, or you can scan the QR code. This is really nice. I love all the instructions. Okay, so if you want to do this one, your video tutorial is this. So go into YouTube and type in that in the search bar. And it looks like each one has, it'll tell you for this one you need 3 strands of the number 1 color, which is white. For this French knot stitch, you need 6 strands with white. Whipped back stitch, which is this one, the green. 3 strands, which is color number 12. That is very cool because for a beginner like me, that's very specific. They don't leave you any room for question.